What's up, guys? How's it going? Mike the Tech here, and today we're looking at a cellular dash cam. That's right, this is not just a dash cam that's going to record locally, where you risk the content potentially being damaged if there were an accident or something to occur, or if the car were to be stolen. This actually saves to the cloud so that you're able to access it anywhere, not just when you're connected to Wi-Fi. This has a 4G LTE connection, so you can actually have it always connected and always uploading. So yeah, let's take a look at it. We get the DC22 user manual and the U-Box Pro app QR code here to actually connect to it and set everything up. We've got the 3 buttons here, as well as a nice and protected camera. Now, if we take a look at the specs here, you'll notice that this actually has dual HD cameras. Not only is it going to be recording in front of you, but it's also going to be able to record behind you as well. So you have a nice little external camera as well as an internal camera, which can be adjusted as well. We do have the standard TF card here to put a micro SD card. We've got microphones. We've got the Type-C adapter to keep it plugged in and powered. And that's about all there is to it. This is a very easy to mount system. It's connected right here to this little piece that goes up and down for your windshield. And the other part is right in here for the install, which we'll take a look at. Here it is. So all you do is you remove that 3M red tape, you put it on your windshield, and then snap it into place. And just like that, you've got a dash cam. So very easy to actually install. You notice here we have some cables, and you can actually connect this to the OBD2 reader, which is going to send data about your trip to the actual camera itself. That way it's not only going to provide power to the camera, but it's going to let it know any kind of system specifics, such as whether gas was going, whether it wasn't going, when the crash happened, things like that. Everything can be saved here. And we've got some clips to go ahead and actually install the cable so it's not as intrusive. But yeah, it has a built-in GPS module, 2 cameras, OBD2 reader. That way it can be powered and receive information from the OBD2. Tons of great content for this. Definitely check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description below. There's lots of features that the app enables, such as live GPS tracking, so you can keep track of the vehicle itself and know where it's at. And even 2-way talk audio, so if someone actually steals your car, you can jump in there and say, give it back, right? But anyway, that's it for this one. I'll do a future video where I actually install this. I'm gonna put it in my truck and see what the video quality is like on both of the cameras. But yeah, I am excited to try it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a good one. Peace.